Hello my friends. Today we are going to discuss about HTML, that what is HTML, how to write HTML code. I will just give you some introduction about the HTML, and we will try to create our first page in HTML, and in my further lectures you will see that how we can make websites, how we can make different styles, how we can manage uh, the external files as well. So let's start with the HTML introduction today. Um, HTML is basically it's a markup language to just define the documents, that how the web system is working. So you need some type of standard language that can be intercepted or accepted by different browsers to run your website. So for this purpose, we have a simple language which is called HTML. So it is just stand for the hypertext markup language, and it is a language that uses different type of tags to build your code and build your website. So HTML documents are described by the HTML tags. So let's suppose that we want to build our first HTML page. So how we are going to create this page? Before going to create this page, I would like to just describe you some tags, that what are the HTML tags, how to write the tags. So the tag is basically a small piece of code that you are describing inside the website code, and you are placing your content inside that tag. So this is how this web system is working. So let's suppose we need to create our first HTML page. So how we will start writing tag? So whenever you need to write a tag, so you can see here on screen, just like just write less than, and then write your tag HTML. And to close this tag, you can just write that. So this is our opening tag for the HTML. So this is how we can use different type of tags to build our first home page. So let's suppose let's create a new page. So I'm using the notepad basically. So we will just write some code, basic code in the notepad, and I will suggest you to use the notepad or notepad plus plus to write your code, because if you are using the built-in some external tools, they will automatically create code for you, but you will not be able to learn much more in the other tools. So just try to write your code from scratch and use the notepad. So we will just go and create a new document. So our first step is always starting from HTML. So this is our starting tag. So whenever we are writing a tag, we must need to write its closing tag as well. And it is very simple. Just copy it, paste it here, and just use this. So this is your closing HTML tag. Okay, so in this we will write, in this tag we will write our website code. So the second thing I would like to describe to you is the head, just like that, and close it here like that. And the final tag, basic tag, is your body here as body. So this HTML tag is basically describing your whole website page, and this head, it will contains all of your header information, just like meta tags or your external file your style sheets, but this body, it is your main tag that will hold all of your code, just like your text, your images, your links, your buttons, everything. So just like right here, h1, this is my first HTML page. And as I told you that if you are starting any tag, then you must need to close it. So this is how you're writing your website, and this basic code, it is included, it should be included in all of your web pages. It doesn't matter that you are working in the PHP, ASP, or some other languages, but your basic structure should be look like that. So let's just save this file as going to desktop. So just right here, index.html, and select your file as HTML. So just save it. Let me move this window. Okay, so you have seen that we have made our first website page. Let me open it in Firefox. So see, you have built your first HTML page. So it is not a rocket science. So just, yeah, you can build it right now. So in this tutorial, my purpose is to just describe you that what is HTML and how you can write your basic code. And once you are happy with your basic code, then next lecture I will just show you that how we can build a complete website. I will firstly I will describe you all type of tags that are involved in HTML and HTML5, and then we will see further about the JavaScript, style sheets, and at the end we will just see the responsive layout of the website, just like how you can build your website that is compatible with all type of devices, with desktop devices and with mobile devices, either they are iPad, iPhone, or Samsung phones. So it is a pretty much fun. So just try it at your home. Thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribing our channel. Thank you very much.